Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the channel gain structure and sidechain source. Set the input so peaks approach 0 dBFS without clipping. This preserves headroom. Next, choose internal versus external sidechain and route the appropriate trigger, for example, kick for bass control, vocal for sibilance. Once done, set an initial threshold near -6 dB and a moderate 3:1 ratio to hear compression working. Make sure to monitor gain reduction meters to verify the compressor is engaging as expected. Now you tune dynamics, attack, release, and makeup gain. You choose a fast attack, perhaps 0.5 to 10 ms to tame sharp transients or a slower attack to keep punch. Then set release for musical timing, typically 50 to 300 ms, and consider tempo syncing for rhythmic sources. Once done, apply makeup gain to restore perceived loudness while comparing pre- and post levels. Make sure to /B frequently and listen for pumping, distortion, or loss of transients to refine settings. Finish by placing compressors on subgroups and the master bus for cohesion. You aim for subtle glue, ratio around 1.5 to 2 to 1, slow attack, and medium release so transients sit together without squashing. Once done, scan all meters and channels to ensure cumulative compression isn't overreducing dynamics. Make sure to monitor in the venue and on headphones. If you hear pumping or distortion, reduce threshold, lengthen release, or lower input gain. That single tweak often fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.